as you can see, I'm out here at hang on, I'm out here at oh yeah, Jenkins Street in so yeah, I'm out here at Jenkins Street in LaGrange, Georgia. Got a small upgrade here on this signal. I forget if I count this is like a double mast or not, but it don't really matter too much. Either way, the dying Western Clients mechanical bell, which was sounding pretty bad when I filmed this a few years back, is still here. However, all the gate lights on it, all the incandescent gate lights are sadly now gone, but now it now has all NEG LED gate lights. As you can see right here, there's one of them. There's another of the NEG LEDs, and there's the third NEG LED. The cantilever signal here is thankfully still, I'm gonna let this guy pass, but thankfully the cantilever signal here is still the same. The overhead lights are still fully incandescent, which is nice to see. Love the older Federal Signal 12x20s here. And yeah, just thought I'd show y'all that we've got, that there's just so the incandescent gate lights here were replaced once I get a good overview. Yeah, so I might see about trying to film on this side at some point. But yeah, just thought I'd show y'all this upgrade, this small little upgrade here. Over and out.